Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to delete Android backup from Google account. So first you would need to open any browser. I am opening the Chrome browser. Here you need to search myaccount.google.com, just like that. After you enter your Google account, here you need to go to data privacy from the top, and now you need to scroll down till you find app services. Here under data from apps and services you use, there is apps and services. You just need to click on this arrow beside content saved from Google services and you will be taken to Google dashboard. Here again, scroll down and search for other Google services. You will find Android backups. So here, this is the option you need to click in order to delete the Android backup. So if you delete it, all of the data related to your phone, your device will be deleted. Know that if you delete it, it's permanent and all of the data will be deleted immediately. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.